It is now a letter war between the Congress and the BJP over threats to Rahul Gandhi. Union Minister Ravneet Bittu is defiant over his terrorist #1 remark and he has refused to apologize. Meanwhile, Congress Chief Kharge shot off a letter to the Prime Minister prompting a sharp reply from JP Nadda. BJP claims Congress outrage is selective while the Grand Old Party demands action.
देश के नंबर 1 टेररिस्ट अगर किसी को मेरे ख्याल से किस पे अनाम होना चाहिए पकड़ने के लिए, या देश का सबसे बड़ा दुश्मन जो जिसको अनामना चाहिए एजेंसीज को, वो आज राहुल गांधी।
Union Minister Ravneet Singh Bittu is under fire for calling the leader of opposition in Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi, a terrorist. After Delhi, Congress leaders in Bengaluru have filed a police case against Bittu. The minister, who had commented on Rahul's statement in the US on Sikh struggles, is accused of promoting enmity among groups and disseminating false information to the public. Bittu, however, is defiant.
मुझे खेद क्यों होगा ये बताइए ना। हम पंजाब ने हमने तो यार अपनी पीढ़ियां खो दी। पंजाब आग में जला दिया इस गांधी फैमिली ने, और जिसमें मेरे दादाजी सरदार बेअंत सिंह जी, जो टेररिज्म इनकी गलतियों से पंजाब में आया, उसको ठीक करते करते 35,000 लोग चले गए। पन्नू गुरपंत पन्नू सबसे बड़ा टेररिस्ट है, और जो रेफरेंडम करा रहा है खालिस्तान के लिए, उसकी जबान और राहुल गांधी की जबान एक होगी तो उसको क्या कहेंगे।
अभी कांग्रेस का इसको
BJP leaders have come out in support of Bittu.
राहुल गांधी देश में विपक्ष का नेता है, संसद में विपक्ष का नेता है। वो देश का विपक्ष का नेता नहीं है। बाहर देश में, विदेश में हम एक हैं। ऐसा तो उसका मन में होना चाहिए, इतना अक्ल तो होना चाहिए। उतना अक्ल नहीं है तो हम क्या बोलना राहुल गांधी को। बिट्टू भी वही बोला।
The BJP and Congress are also engaged in a heated exchange of letters that has added fuel to the fire. Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge this week wrote to Prime Minister Narendra Modi voicing concerns about threats issued to Rahul Gandhi by BJP leaders. BJP chief JP Nadda has hit back, questioning the silence of Congress on the frequent verbal attacks faced by the Prime Minister. Nadda also accused Rahul Gandhi of aligning with pro-Pakistan and anti-India elements. The fierce face-off was sparked by Rahul Gandhi's comments in the US, where he spoke about Sikh struggles in India.
The fight is about whether he, as a Sikh, is going to be allowed to wear his turban in India. Or he, as a Sikh, is going to be allowed to wear a kada in India. Or he, as a Sikh, is going to be able to go to Gurdwara. That's what the fight is about.
Do you know what devta means in...
Rahul's statement last week has triggered a firestorm that is showing no signs of being doused. Bureau Report, India Today.